The most unique part of this recipe involves using chorizo. I'm not familiar with it at all, but I had the flavor in queso. It sounds like a good idea. This is kind of a unique paella, but I'm going to explain later why in fact this is a more traditional paella. First thing I do is I'm going to put the chorizo in the pan here, and they mentioned taking it out of its casing and cutting it into small chunks. But what I realized is this is like paste. So in fact, I don't need to cut it. I just need to pull it out, almost like little mini meatballs. As you can see, it's just in here. And I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to come back and show you everything else that goes into the dish.